Guys, no live stream today. I'm racing against my tire pressure instead. The front wheel keeps leaking air. Must be a rim issue. I'm still 100 km away from the city, so I gotta push just a little faster. To keep it at 2.8 bar. Alright, 2.8, let's go. Dropping 2.5. It's leaking really fast. 2.2. 2.1 already. And now heavy rain. Rain, rain, rain. Warning light, low tire pressure, gotta stop and refill. Back to 2.8, go, 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 go. 77 seconds left for 4 kilometers. Don't block my way. At 2.0 again, still 66.6 km to go. Why are you driving in the middle of the road? Down to 1.7. 58 km left. 1.6, alarm again, time to pump. Okay, 2.8, good. Move, move, move! Tunnel drop was way too quick. $57 km left. Damn it, who parks on the roadside? Fine, I'll pull over too. Back on the highway now. 53.8 km to go. One-way lane, keep moving. Tweaks 4 bar, bending 3.5 km. $48 km left. What's that ahead? A bicycle rider. Oh man. Kilometer left. Down to 2.0 again. 34 km left. One more refill should be enough. Final 20 km, brothers. Let's pump again. Still 2.5. Go all out now. This pump is solid, super reliable. After so many refills, battery still strong. Let's move, let's move. $19.5 km left. At 2.5 bar, 15 km left. Last 10 km, guys. And now it's raining again. Fuel's running low too. Turn left ahead, left turn. Oops, slipped into neutral. Final 2 km. Last kilometer. Made it, finally, I'm here. Down to 0.7 bar at the finish line, what a ride.